Hi guys, welcome. My name is Cher and I teach people that are dealing with hair loss how to make, style, and install their own wigs. You don't have to be a hairdresser because I'm not, but I believe that if I can do it, you can do it too. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own everyday wig from the beginning till end. It's a very beginner friendly video, and if you'd like to see how I've achieved this hairstyle, keep on watching. Let's get right into it. The first step is to bleach the knots on the closure. You will need a closure, purple shampoo, cream developer, 30 volume, bleaching powder, aluminum foil, gloves, mixing tool, a mixing bowl, and I forgot to add an application tool. So you're gonna mix the bleaching powder with the cream developer. And you're going to mix until you've reached the consistency of butter. You know, it has to be really thick, like when you hold the mixture upside down, it doesn't come out of the cup. So this is a perfect example of the knots. You can see how visible those tiny black dots are, and the goal here is to get rid of those tiny black dots, and that's why we bleach the closure or the knots on the closure. So as you can see, you can apply the mixture on the closure, and it's better to put the closure on top of the aluminum foil so you can check it every now and then how the processing is going. You can leave it up to 30 to 45 minutes and then wash it out. Now I use a purple shampoo to wash the knots on the closure, and that will neutralize the color. It will get rid of the brassy orange fiery color. That's what the purple shampoo, it cancels it all out, so you don't see any brassy parts here, and also the knots are gone. Now we're gonna go to the second step, which is sewing the closure and the hair bundles. You will need a closure, hair bundles, a wig cap, T-pins, a pair of scissors, C-curve needles, sewing thread, an elastic band, and a canvas hat. So the first thing I like to sew down is the closure on the wig cap, but before I do that, I like to go in and draw some guidelines with a white marker. And if you're new to making wigs, I would also recommend you to do this, because this will help you. This would be the perfect guide, and you can easily see where you have to sew each thread. And then we're gonna start by sewing the closure. Please watch as I go, because not everything is easy to explain, but I hope the video will make it easy for you to follow what I'm doing. After sewing the closure down, I like to go in and start by sewing the bundles. And one thing I like to do is to sew at least 2 to 3 tracks very close to the closure. I know, I feel like doing this helps with with blending the closure, or it helps to create a flat area around the closure. It's difficult to explain, but yeah, I like to do this step. So all of a sudden I noticed that I have lost a few parts of the video, but just to show you the sewing technique I'm using to make this wig, I added another video where I'm making another wig. So this is not the same wig, this is just part from another video, but this is to show you the sewing technique I'm using to make my wigs, or to at least make the wig in this video. So the next step is to cut that part of the wig cap under the lace closure off. And be careful when you cut that part off that you don't cut away your stitches. So don't cut too close to the stitches of the closure. And then we're gonna go and sew down an elastic band, and the elastic band helps to keep your wig in place, to keep it on your head. And just follow as I go, guys. Just watch the video and follow as I go. Now we're gonna start by styling the wig. Our wig is done. Now we have to style it. The first thing I'm gonna teach you is a step called blending. And blending is when you blend the closure with the bundle. So just the border of the closure with the part where the bundle starts. And this will give you security. When the wind blows, nothing gets refilled. And it also gets rid of any bumpiness of where the closure and the bundle meets. It just makes everything flat and come together in a smooth way. Just take a small section of hair from the closure and we're going to blend that together with the tracks, because we don't want any tracks to be refilled by the wind. We don't want that. So we're gonna use mousse, and I mix the mousse with a ratio of 1:1, so 50% mousse with 50% water. And I do this because sometimes the mousse is a little bit thick and oily. It's a little bit too heavy, and then I mix it with water to create a lighter consistency. After using the mousse, I use a strong holding spray, and then I go in with my hot comb to blend that section of the closure over the tracks of the bundle. I also like to go in with this root spray to spray the thick edges of the closure so it can blend in together even better with the bundles, because sometimes the hair on the closure is a little bit on the thin side, and you can sometimes see the edges of the closure, you know, the thick edges of the closure, and by using this spray and making those edges black, nothing gets refilled. And guys, just follow as I go, follow the video. Not everything is easy for me to explain, but if you follow the video, you might get or understand better what I'm doing. Now that we've styled the wig, it's time to install it. This is our wig. Guys, don't mind my braids. Please don't mind it. Don't pay any attention. So before installing my wig, I like to use this wig grip, and it helps to keep your wig in place. It won't slide away. So and there you have it. Put your wig on, make it comfortable for yourself. I use bobby pins to keep my wig in place. If you want, you can add combs, wig combs to your wig. I don't like to do that because I feel like when I use wig combs, it breaks my hair. So I just use these bobby pins, and they are a little bit more gentle on my hair. So, and then now it's time to, you know, style the hair, to play with it until you get the style, or until you've reached the style that you like. I'm using a black eyeshadow to get rid of the edges of the closure. Guys, this wig is so beautiful. It came out so good. Look at the curls, the way we've curled it. Look how the hair is, look how it's falling. I loved it. You know, you have to play with it, style it. You know, if you want to, you can even go and cut it so it can frame your face even better. So I'm gonna use some mousse and a edge comb to, you know, add a little bit of baby hairs. Not too much. I don't like too much baby hairs, but just to add a little bit. I'm not the best in creating baby hairs, so I just do what works for me and what looks natural, of course. But yeah, notice that I didn't go and pluck the closure. We didn't do anything difficult. This is just the easy everyday workwear wig, just to put on and go each time. You don't have to do too much. I also like to use this Maybelline pressing powder to create a clean parting section. And that is it, guys. We are done making this wig. We are done. We did it. We did it. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below so I can get right back to you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and please turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you've learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.